In this video, we shall discuss about seed silicates. So, seed silicates are nothing but if we join two chain silicates, they will along with that some cyclic structure will happen. That is nothing but our seed silicate. If I draw the structure, you will get to know, right? So these are nothing but two chain silicate are linked. The cyclic silicates are formed. Those are nothing but sheet silicates, right? So they will have the general formula like Si4O11N6N minus, that is the anion part, which will form a sheet like structure, right? Because I have told only anions will determine the structure of these silicates, right? And have double chain in which the simple cations are held together by shared oxygen. The cations can be calcium, right? So such silicates are represented as amphiboles, and which includes asbestos sheet, right? Asbestos sheet is nothing but it is amphiboles, that is nothing but sheet silicate. If I give you the name for this asbestos sheet, you will get to know. So this asbestos sheet is also called as trimolite. Trimolite, that is nothing but the formula is nothing but calcium, magnesium, Si4O11, it is 2 dot OH twice. It is like this. So this is asbestos, right? So asbestos sheet you have seen it, because in labs the black color things will be there, right? In chemistry lab you can see black color sheets like a rock will be there, on which they will keep all the apparatus and all those things, right? So that is nothing but the asbestos sheet, and the formula is given here, right? So how these are formed? So I have told two chain silicates, if they are linked, we will get that thing. See here. So this is chain silicates. I have drawn you the structure, right? So this is my chain silicate. So what happens here? This silicon is there, right? So this oxygen is again shared with one more. So we'll get again like this here, like this, right? And here we'll be having like this. So this is how it will happen, right? Like this. So here one chain silicate, here one chain silicate, two chain silicate, and here if you see they will be having cyclic like structure, right? So all these things are nothing, all these things makes sheet silicate, right? So chain silicate, two chain silicate, and here it will form structures like cyclic silicate. All are nothing but this sheet silicate. So sheet silicate includes two chain silicate, which will form cyclic silicates within it. So that those are nothing but sheet silicate, right? So if I give you the structure like this, you should be able to understand. So if you want to know, like, I can draw like this also. This is silicon, one oxygen, second oxygen, third oxygen, and fourth oxygen, right? So this oxygen is again shared with one more silicon, one oxygen, two oxygen, three oxygen, and four oxygen. So this oxygen is again shared to silicon. So four oxygens like this, right? So this is how it will happen. So this oxygen is there, right? So this oxygen which is linked, this is again shared to one more silicon like this. So see here. So this is again shared to one more silicon, one oxygen here, two, three, four oxygens, right? So again from here, what happens? It is clear na? So from here again like this, here also this oxygen is shared to one silicon, right? Two silicon and three silicon, and these two oxygens are shared with like this, one more like this. The chain keeps on moving, right? So one here, one there, like that it will happen. Again here like this, oxygen, 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 like this. From here up means here silicon, oxygen, and oxygen, right? So if you see here also the sharing is continued, and here also the sharing is continued like this, right? So one chain silicate above, one more chain silicate below, and here cyclic silicate. So these are nothing but sheet silicate, right? So I have told how to join it. So three oxygen should join like this. So it will happen like this, right? So this is, now you should be able to draw all the things because I have explained it so many times, right? Right, so nicely it happened. See, these are nothing but my sheet silicate, right? So nicely it happened. And also you can see here oxygens for one unit, these three oxygens are shared in sheet silicate. In other silicates, so orthosilicate is there, here no oxygen is shared. Sharing of oxygen, like in, right, like the sharing of oxygen, zero here. For pyrosilicate, sharing of oxygen is 1. For chain silicate, sharing of oxygen is 2. For cyclic silicate, sharing of oxygen is 2. For sheet silicate, the sharing of oxygens will be 3. And the 3 oxygens I have shown it here. Just a minute. Yeah. These 3 oxygens I have shown it. 1, 2 and 3. Here also if you see, 1 oxygen, second oxygen and third oxygen. So 3 oxygens will be shared. And negative charge, you know, when oxygens are bonded to 2, you are not going to give any negative charge. Only bonded. If only the atom is bonded with only one bond, that oxygen is bonded to only one bond, then only will give negative charge. So you can draw it simply like this. Just make a line. So this will be chain silicate, right? If you join it like this, now it becomes sheet silicate. Again, just you continue like this. So nicely it happens, right? So just continue, right? So these oxygens are there here. Silicon oxygen, silicon oxygen, silicon oxygen, silicon oxygen, silicon oxygen, oxygen, right? Silicon oxygen, silicon oxygen, silicon oxygen, silicon oxygen, right? So here also oxygens will be there. Negative charge only these two oxygens will get, because these oxygens which are there here, which I am showing now, see, oxygen, 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 these oxygens will be shared, right? So just if I draw it like this, so nicely the structure happened now, right? So negative charge will be only present on these two oxygens, right? Here no negative, negative, okay, negative, 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 right? Other oxygens which are bonded to two bonds will not have any negative charge. So this is about sheet silicate. So nicely the structure came, right? So this is all about silicates, classification, their formulas, general formulas, and few examples. So I hope you understood it. If so, please share my videos, subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon.